Why?
I just did that.
Why?
It took a whole lifetime.
It took a whole lunchtime?
Life.
A lifetime?
Yeah.
Find all the zeros in the function. When there is an extended list. Oh, that just
What
makes
difference
my
does that
heart
make?
fall when it says extended list
It
of
barely
possible rational zeros. What does that mean?
It's high-key annoying.
Yeah, really. Use a graphing utility to graph the function. Hey, in order to discard any rational zeros. Oh, I love graphing calculators. All right, so let's do that. So 78. Oh, how I dislike you. So what does this mean? Why is this saying all that stuff? As soon as I see the 32, I know what it's talking about because there's a lot of factors of 32. Luckily, there's no leading coefficient there other than 1. So your possible rational zeros right here would be, the bottom's easy. Let's just go plus or minus 1. The top is not so easy. We got plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 8, plus or minus 16. Oh gosh. Anything else? Oh, plus or minus 32. Anything else?
Plus,
No, is that it?
no.
So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 2 is 12. So there's 12 possible rational zeros here, which completely is horrible. That's horrible. So what we're going to do here is we're going to graph it, just like it told us to. We're going to graph this, and then see if we can eliminate any of these. Like, see if we can be like, oh, it's for sure not 32, stupid 32. Let's hope. We got it plugged into our graphing calculator, and I'm going to go bam and graph it. What the? This window is dumb.
Non-existent.
Okay, so no, it's because this is a -1. My window's all messed up. So I just got to hit zoom, and I'm going to hit standard right here, 6. That'll make me a more common window. You see it goes from -10 to +10, -10 to +10, and all these tick marks count by 1. It looks like right here, this is the only location where it crosses the x-axis, doesn't it? Doesn't it? Let's zoom fit this thing to make sure. Zoom fit. Where's fit? Zoom fit, is that 9? No, zoom stat.
But I got 2.
Where's zoom fit? There's zoom fit. Boom. Enter.
Oh wow. So I got it right.
Okay, so that's what we get when we go zoom fit. Is that the y-axis? Let's see. The windows goes from -10 to +10 on the x-axis. Wow, look at that. The y max is gigantic, and the y min is gigantic. Weird. Now let's go back and look at our graph. Okay, so all it did is it flattened it out. You hate the guy that made this? As I looked at the window, I know the x-axis is counting by 1. So we can definitely eliminate. It doesn't look like it's crossing -1. That is the 0. Y equals 0. I'm not quite understanding that, but anyways. We can eliminate some of our zeros though, right? We definitely know it's not going to be the 32 or the 16 because that's not even in the window for the x's. The 8, yeah, I don't think the 8 should be there. What do you guys think? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 shouldn't be there either. So we can eliminate the 8 also. Peace out, 8. Now, we just cut down our work significantly, right? We only have 6 possible rational zeros. So that's what you have to start trying. You got to start trying those possible rational zeros to do this one. All right, so I'm not going to finish this because I have too many other videos where I do finish it.
Oh my god.
So if you guys want another tool to help eliminate problems or eliminate possible rational zeros, use Descartes. His rule's pretty cool.